Hello members, we have this TV. It is a virtual. It is for mafundi. Whenever you see TVs when they are open like this, it means they are from fundis. That's how it is. You can see in the middle. It's like the upper side is not okay. It has some line in the middle. So you can see the words become when they disappearing. You can see in the middle. It's like in some voltage. Inside your area. Pantage. Really inafanya. That's in the middle. What is doing? I'm not sure that this area is working. Area haifanyi. But that's how it is. So you're going to repair it. You see whether the down thing, the line lens can go away. So I'm going to show you how it works. So after repairing our phone, remember the one which was showing in the middle. Now that is how it is. Na rekodi tu hapa kidogo dakika kama 2. Kama nipe vitu zangu. Wewe nipe. Wewe nipe usikule vitu zangu. Unisikia nini? Ana amekwambia. Wewe mweka kwa nini? Mweke kwa ndio niko na pikipiki yenyewe. Usijali. Weka kwa YouTube. Pablo, ama tunaweka hapa kwa YouTube kidogo tu. Let me put for the image first. Toka nje kwa video zote aina mavideo mpya hata video zote anaangalia ni za kitambo. So that's the image. You can see now it is not shrinking in the middle. It is good to go. Come on, electronics, put it there.